Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I found this basket at Goodwill. It was $2.99 and I got it for half price, so it ended up being $1.50. I took off the hanger, and then there was like another hanger that had a $10 tag on it from whatever store it was in. So I ended up cutting that off after fighting with it. And then I decided that I wanted to paint this with the color Burnt Umber. It's just a really dark brown. I would have spray painted it. It probably would have been easier, but it was raining and I couldn't spray paint outside. So I did it with this big brush, and it actually didn't take very long at all. And I really liked the way that the color turned out. It wasn't too shiny or anything because it was acrylic paint. So I just made sure that I got the whole basket covered, and I did the front, the back, and I did a little bit into the inside, not too much because it was going to be covered. So once I had it all painted, I'm going to take this strip of burlap ribbon, and I'm going to run that right around the front of the basket. So I'm just going to add a little glue right in the front to hold that while I wrap it around the back. And then once I had that on there, I'm just going to flip the basket and just start gluing it onto the back. And I didn't really worry about like where the ribbon lined up in the back or anything like that because nobody's going to see the back. So I wanted to make sure that I got that secure on there, and then it was even in the front. And then I'm just going to glue that end piece down and hold that in place until it's set. And then once I had that all secure, I'm going to take this other ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was in the fall section. And I'm going to run a strip of that right across the center, right across the top of that burlap ribbon that I laid. And again, just doing the same thing, making sure it's even all the way around to the back. And then I'm just going to trim off some excess and then glue that into the back. Once I have that all glued, I had this brown button, and I'm going to use that right in the center on the front. And it's just a big brown button. It's a really dark brown to match the basket. I'm going to glue that right to the center. And look how cute this is already. And now I'm going to take some florals that I found at Walmart, and I'm just going to stuff the basket. These are just fall florals that I found. Making sure that they were all cut down to size to fit in the basket and just kind of arranging them. I've been playing with this for like 2 days now, just messing with how they all looked in there. Adding flowers, I took some out, I added more. I just couldn't figure out exactly how I wanted it. Next, I took a piece of twine and tied it through the basket on the right-hand side. Then I took my stamps and a grubby tag and stamped out the word fall. And I just coffee dyed the tag. And then I'm just going to tie that right onto the front of the basket. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.